Hey guys, it's Rita. I will be bringing you a DIY today, and I'm really excited to share this with you. I was really happy with the way it turned out, so let's get right to it. Okay, so for today's DIY, I'll be using this hula hoop, and I had already taken the paper off and spray painted it. I was going to do a DIY earlier this year with it and never got around to it. So I've got 3 of these garlands from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to wrap them around the hula hoop. You won't need any hot glue. If you twist them around at the ends, they will stay in place. And we are almost at the end. You can use more or less garland depending on how thick you want this. Now, as you see, I've laid this out on the wreath. I got these at Dollar General. They'll use 2 garlands. They are 5 feet each, and I just took all the decorations off, and I'm going to use these on the wreath. I'll be hot gluing them down, and I'm just laying them out here to see how I want to place them on the wreath. So this is the layout I've decided on, and I'll be placing a bow at the bottom. Now I'm just going to hot glue everything down. And we're almost to the end. I will be making a bow, coming back and attaching it, and then I will display it for you. And here's the bow I have made. I'll be attaching it with the pipe cleaner. And you just want to make sure you fluff your bow out. So here it is, guys. I'm really happy with this DIY today. It is a huge wreath, and I really do like the decorations that I added to it. I do go in and add some lights, and that will be coming up in just a few minutes. And while we're waiting on the light display, I would like to thank my subscribers for your continued support, and thanks to everyone who's watching today. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you join. It's free. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Please comment below and let me know what you think of this DIY today. And here it is with the lights. Just gorgeous, I think. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.